Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create folders in Notion, even though Notion doesn't actually include a traditional folder feature. If you've ever felt like your workspace was becoming cluttered with too many pages and databases, this simple workaround will help you organize everything neatly and make navigation much easier. Let's get started. One of the first things many people notice when using Notion is that there's no built-in folder system like you would find on your computer. At first, that might seem a little limiting, especially if you're managing multiple projects, notes, or documents. But the good news is that Notion has a flexible structure that allows you to create a folder-like system using nested pages. Here's how it works. The first step is to create a new page. Think of this page as your main folder or container. To do that, go to the left sidebar in your Notion workspace and click the New Page button. Now, give the page a name that matches the type of content you want to organize. For example, you could call it Project Documents, Work Notes, Recipes, or anything else that makes sense for your workflow. This page doesn't need a lot of content inside it. Its main purpose is to hold and organize your other pages. Once your main folder page is ready, it's time to move your existing pages into this new folder. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see all of your current pages listed out. Simply click and drag the pages you want to organize onto your new folder page. As soon as you drop one page onto another, Notion automatically turns it into a subpage. This creates a parent and child structure that works very similarly to folders and files on a computer. If you're new to this, start small. Try organizing just a few pages first so you can get comfortable with the process. After moving your pages, you'll notice a small arrow appear next to your main page in the sidebar. Clicking this arrow lets you expand or collapse the subpages underneath it. This is where the organization really starts to shine. Instead of scrolling through one long list of pages, you can now group related content together into clean, collapsible sections. It makes your workspace feel more structured, less overwhelming, and much easier to navigate. Another great thing about this system is flexibility. If you ever want to reorganize your workspace, you can simply drag pages back out, move them to another section, or create multiple layers of nested pages. This method works for almost everything inside Notion, including notes, project plans, databases, client information, study materials, and more. So even though Notion doesn't have traditional folders, nested pages provide a simple and powerful alternative that works just as well for keeping your workspace organized. And that's it. That's the easiest way to create folders in Notion and keep your workspace clean and manageable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.